Hello, Frederik.
Hi, Jörg.
Yeah, Frederik, you've got a new device today.
Yes.
What is it all about?
Yeah, it's our new 8-port IO-Link Class A master in the TBEN-L housing.
Okay, so 8 ports means we can connect 8 IO-Link devices. Could also be IO-Link hubs with 16 channels.
Yes, exactly.
And this means 128 digital inputs, outputs.
Could be a use case for this one, yes.
Wow, okay, that's so much. So what about the functionality? What about the field bus side?
Yeah, so this one comes with our standard multi-protocol interface, meaning we have Modbus, TCP on board, we have Ethernet IP, and of course Profinet.
Okay. You said Class A, what does it mean?
Yeah, it means that we do not have the second voltage level on the ports. But on the plus side, this is way more suited for all the smart sensors. So every use case where you don't want, or if you don't need this additional power, and this is typically the classic IO-Link use case of smart sensors, then a Class A port is a perfect fit. And in this device, we can also use this alternatively for up to 16 digital in or output channels.
Yeah, okay. What about the power supply side? I see it's M12.
Yeah, this one is M12L coded, so our new focus connector, so to say. But of course, it's also available in 7/8 connectors.
Okay, great. Looks for me this is a really nice package in this form TBEN-L. LL for
exactly.
M12 connectors. And so I wish a lot of success.
Thanks.
And thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.